It's very rare, but we got a motorhome toy hauler in stock today, and it is amazing. Welcome to HBRV Lifestyle. They call me the Honey Badger because I give it to you straight and transparent about the RV business. This is the Thor Outlaw 38KB. It is both a motorhome and a toy hauler all in one. Now, if this is the first time you have seen one of my videos, I do about a 10 to 15 minute walkthrough of the entire motorhome and talk about it without any special effects, sound effects, or weird editing. So let's get started. Now, the chassis is the Ford V8 7.3 liter. So it's gasoline, not diesel. It has frameless windows, tankless hot water heater, tankless hot water heater, full body paint, 5,500 watt generator, 3 air conditioners. Now, I only opened one compartment door for now. Forgive me, it's 115 degrees outside. So I'm trying to do this quickly. As you can see, big storage. And this is each one of them. And there's 2 others like this, and then one that's a complete pass-through. So that's pretty good underbelly storage for a Class A motorhome. Now, it's not the biggest, but it's pretty darn good. Okay. Now, you walk over here. It is a 50 amp coach. It also has 2 fueling areas. Your main fuel tank for your generator and for your engine. And then you have a secondary one for your toys. So if you have a small side-by-side, motorcycle, anything of that nature, you have a secondary fuel pump area to put gasoline. It does have a hitch, backup camera, and a rear power awning. Now, I didn't put that awning out or the patio down because it's really windy and the wind's coming this way. So I did leave these 2 awnings out. So technically, even with all the street noise, I apologize about that, it does have 2 power awnings on the camping side, which is really cool. It also has an outside television. And you know what? Let's see if we can open up one more of these. There we go. There's another kind of look at what the underbelly storage looks like. We're okay. We're in some states. Okay, you have your 4 batteries, your hydraulics, all that stuff in there. You know what? Let's go open this one. I think this one's propane. Yep, propane tank, water tank, and some more storage. Perfect. By the way, if you are enjoying this walkthrough video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Close the door, try to limit the noise. Okay, this is a really cool floor plan. I always like the big window on the camping side. If you've seen a lot of my walkthrough videos, you know I'm a big fan of that. Okay, both the couch and the dinette do fold into beds. You also have your overhead bunk bed here. Its capacity for 500 pounds. This is a pre-owned 2023 with less than 12,000 miles. I love the stitching. That's really cool. I mean, it's not like super luxurious or anything, but it's just a cool, like, niche thing in here. I really like that. If you like that as well, please let me know in the comments section. Gorgeous. By the way, if you do want to purchase this motorhome, there will be a link to the website in the description box below. Very, very cool. Okay, now let's get to the kitchen real quick. You know what? Nope, I'm getting ahead of myself. We did not open the cabinets above the couch. Well, that's pretty good. That's actually deep. See, I like deep cabinets because, especially if you're going to go on the road, let's say you want to go out for Thanksgiving weekend, New Year's weekend. We just had July 4th weekend. If you're going out for 4 or 5 days and you want to dry camp, which is the majority of your toy hauler owners, remember, this is a motorhome toy hauler all in one, then, you know, you need deep storage. You know, not just in the underbelly, but also inside the coach. Now, this is a two-piece sink. It's pretty deep, but again, most people know, especially if you're a fan of my channel, that I like the one-piece sink. I love pozole, tortilla soup, chili, and when my wife cooks it, it's in a big pot, not in a little pot. Love the sink covers always. Gives you that extra counter space when you're not using the sink. Ooh, that's really nice. Good area for bowls, plates. That looks really good. Convection microwave. Gotta love that. And then they have an induction cooktop as well as 2-burner stove right here. Underneath the sink, you have a great area for a trash can, maybe some extra pots and pans. Also access to plumbing, things of that nature. Oh, look how smooth that opens and closes. That's very nice. Locks in place really nice. It's not herky-jerky. So, good quality drawers as far as the opening and closing of them. I'd probably remove this shelf and use that for more cooking supplies. Pantry. Now, that's not a very big pantry, but I'm pretty sure... See, that's why I'd probably remove this and put all my cereal boxes and boxed goods, canned goods in here, and use this, you know, for my kids' snacks. My daughters love things like, you know, beef ravioli and a bunch of other little snacky things. Like there's this popcorn chips thing that my daughter likes. You know, I'd probably put those easier accessible snacks there. And then anymore, it's the deep residential refrigerator, or I should say residential style refrigerator. I don't know if you guys have seen the video or not, but I did do a video about the death of the propane electric refrigerator because it is dying, unfortunately. But again, with the solar that's on this motorhome, ooh, that's really deep storage. The generator, the inverter, the battery setup, the efficiency of the refrigerators anymore, I'm not worried about it. Not like I was. I was worried about it 5-6 years ago, slowly but surely. And don't call me Shirley. Airplane joke. I've been convinced on the 12-volt electric refrigerators. Big shower. I love that the toilet is actually elevated off the ground, so you don't feel like you have to squat all the way down like you do in the forest, if you get my drift, gentlemen. Ladies, I'm sorry, that's a bad joke. Good medicine cabinet space. Not very deep, but you have a couple of them, so it makes up for not having a deep one. Your control for your tankless hot water heater. I like the counter space around the sink. That's good for like your toothbrushes, toothpaste, things of that nature. I like the size of the bowl of the sink. It doesn't feel like it's a waste or too small or too big. And then down here, good storage. Probably put linens down there. Looks like they put toilet paper and stuff. That's a pretty good idea. Okay, this is where we get to the cool part. This is the master bedroom area. Now, this is a king-size bed, but watch this. You have to retract the bed to get the slide out in. See? Pretty cool, right? Now, I'm not going to put it all the way in, because then you'll get bored. And I'm not going to open those cabinets, but you get the drift of the same cabinets that are in the living room as far as the depth. But I will open this area because this is really cool. You got your closet with your extra table and pull for the cabin area, your driver and passenger seat. Lots of hangable closet space, something you just don't see that often. Now, my only real complaint about this floor plan is behind the TV and right here is storage. But I need a bloody booster seat to get up there. I mean, I'm 5'10". I'm not that tall. But I love how smooth these drawers close in and out. You got one drawer for, well, half a drawer for husband's socks and undies, and 2.5 drawers for his second half. And then small little drawers for the kiddos' clothes. But look how just nice and easy, glides really good. Fabulous. Okay. Now the garage. I believe that this is a 8.5-foot garage. I'll have to double check that. In the description box below, I will put the exact measurement in there. There is your third air conditioner. It's for the garage only. There is no ducting in the garage, so you have to turn that wall mount on. You also have a fantastic fan and a nice big loft area. So you could probably sleep, comfortably, let's call 8 to 10 people in this motorhome. You could probably squeeze 12 because you do have the dinette area back here, the 2 couches. They do fold down into beds, so you might be able to do that. By the way, the garage capacity is 1,350 pounds. That's what it's rated at right here. You got a radio back here, and you have the 3 Seasons doors. You got your 3 Seasons doors and your patio kit. So this will fold into that patio everybody's enjoying. And then you have a couple of cabinets, and they connect to each other. So that's pretty cool. And you got another cabinet right here below the air conditioner. Now, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments section. You can also go to the description box of this video and send me a message through Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. By the way, join us at Twitter because I'm trying to build the Twitter page up. It seems to be a very popular place for RVers. Also, there's the merchandise store for HBRV lifestyle merchandise, hats, shirts. Any proceeds go directly to the channel, nowhere else. Helps us get camera equipment, things of that nature. And in the top right-hand corner of this video, there's another really awesome motorhome that I think you're actually going to enjoy.